Step into the future with the Redmi Note 13 4G, where style meets serious power. Experience the magic on a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED screen. With a 120Hz refresh rate and 1800 nits of peak brightness, everything you see just pops with life. Capture your world in high definition with a 108-megapixel main camera, a 120-degree ultra-wide lens, and a macro lens for those close-ups. And don't forget the perfect 16-megapixel selfie cam, because you deserve the best. Sleek, tough, and ready for anything. At just 8mm thin and 188 grams light, with Gorilla Glass 3 and splash resistance, this phone is as resilient as it is stylish. With the Snapdragon 685 and HyperOS, you'll enjoy lightning-fast performance. Multitasking, gaming, browsing, no sweat. And with a 5000 mAh battery, you're powered all day. When you need a boost, 33-watt fast charging gets you 50% in just 29 minutes. Choose your vibe: midnight black, mint green, ice blue, or ocean sunset. The Redmi Note 13 4G is more than just a phone. It's your ticket to a brighter, bolder world.
It isn't strange that we are still feeling connected. So I propose that we embrace